Very good morning to all student members, members from industries and academicians. I welcome you all for the next special lecture under the title Mechanical Engineering Latest Trends. Today we are going to see about importance of artificial intelligence in 3D printing technology. In the past lecture, we were discussing about purpose of using AI in aerospace industry. In connection to that, so today we are going to discuss about how 3D printing have evolved much better with the help of the generative AI technology. Let us go to the objectives of the special lecture today. AI usage helps to optimize the product design of the prototype model by printing the prototype by considering the various aspects like saving the amount of time and material wastage. So with the help of the generative AI application, we can able to optimize the prototype model design while printing the model by reducing the amount of time required to generate the model. At the same time, we can able to save the few amount of material wastage. So AI can able to precisely calculate such things in a better way as compared to the conventional manual methodology. Now let us go to the subject matter. So use of AI in 3D printing technology. So with the help of the 3D printing, so we can able to generate any complex model shaped geometries in real time. In order to study the quality of the model, generative AI technology can be embedded along with the core mechanical engineering application. So it tries to automate the creation of the complex 3D printed model by better prediction as well as preventing the failure during the printing process by making real-time adjustments in order to bring out more sustainable the product models by minimizing the material wastage as well as improving the production cost. Let us see the various sides of 3D printing technology under different areas of usage. First one, product design and optimization. How AI can be used in 3D printing technology in the case of product design and optimization. There are totally three types of subclasses which is listed below here. First one is generative design. So in this type of design process, AI tries to create optimal design by considering various factors like stress, weight of the material, and the properties of the material. So using this as a basic input, we can able to easily able to develop a good model compared to manually generated 3D printing model. Next one is rapid design. AI can able to generate a 3D model based on the sketch or image by speeding up the design process more significantly within a short span of time. Last one is topology optimization. So the artificial intelligence technology that will try to refine the structure of the part or a material in order to improve the design efficiency and performance as overall. Next one is quality control and process management. So by improving the design and optimization, so how we can able to produce a better the quality 3D printed model with zero failure. So let us see failure prediction and correction. So in this segment, AI monitors the 3D printing process in real time by identifying the potential defects or failures in the early stage and tries to make some alternate adjustment to prevent the failure in future by better modifying the design in a more simpler extent. Next one is autonomous printing. AI enables the printer in order to self-calibrate the design, self-monitoring and make self-adjustments by reducing the need of human intervention. The AI can monitor the filament use, identifying the blockage and optimize the material selection and various parameters for specific prints according to the purpose of usage. So these are the various aspects of quality control and process management in automated generative type AI technology in 3D printing process. Last one is improving the efficiency and easy accessibility of the prototype models done by the 3D printing process. So automating the process of 3D printing. So AI can automate the various tasks like slicing the 3D printing model into various layers, which make the process more efficient and accurate. Then analyzing the various historical pattern of the data and AI tries to optimize various parameter model settings and it will make a better decision to improve the overall production of the prototype in the final stage. AI can analyze various customer preferences to create more tailor-made and and personalized product according to the user needs. So these are the various sides of 3D printing technology with the help of the generative AI designs. So with the above information, I conclude the short special lecture. So AI-powered system will try to optimize the design of the product by preventing the failure occurring in the printing process through automatic detection of quality control, and it improves the development of new material and personalized products according to the user need and preferences. What are the future challenges presented here in 3D printing technology? So a lot of scopes are there in medicines in near future. The convergence of AI and 3D printing technology tries to have a new level of innovation in various fields like medicines, even developing a 3D printed model of surgical equipments through simulation and various personalized medical treatments. So with this few information, I thank all the student members, industry professionals and academicians. Thank you all. We will meet in the next upcoming special lecture under the same title, Mechanical Engineering Latest Trends. Thank you all once again.